Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add tint to your picture and then adjust it to your photo on the Visoir application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the plus icon or the My Projects section and select the picture that you want to edit. After that, you should slide to the right side of the screen till you find the tint option. Here you can find a bunch of options and colors. As you slide to the right side of the screen, you can see how it looks like. So tap on the relevant one that you want to use, and after that you can adjust it by the help of this scale down below. So here you can adjust it, and if you are done with it, click on the apply button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you are ready to save it at the top. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.